High Commissioner of the Commonwealth of Australia to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honour to present the letter of credence from His Excellency the Governor-General of the Commonwealth of Australia to Your Excellency, accrediting me as High Commissioner of the Commonwealth of Australia to the Republic of Fiji. Your Excellency, I also have the honour to present the letter of recall from my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy, successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the Governor-General and the people of the Commonwealth of Australia our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Congratulations, sir. Well done. I like the firm grip. Good man. Good man after my own heart.
Yes.
Joe, you happy with that?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'm sure you remember the way you did this around it. Ma'am, how are you?
Very nice to meet
Hola,
you.
Alison,
Your
welcome to
Excellency.
Fiji.
Yeah, thank you
You
very
obviously
much.
met my wife.
Yes, I have indeed.
Oh, great.
Thank you very much.
Commemorate your taking over as an High Commissioner. And just to remind us of climate change, this was made out of mahogany.
The presidential compound.
Yeah, it's not funny, but put down. That happened last year. So instead of wasting all that good hardwood, we decided to carve lollies. No, this is the local gong.
That's beautiful. Very beautiful.
And I'm sure you can find somewhere in your office.
No,
It's got a small description of how.
pride of place.
Yeah. And it comes with our appreciation and gratitude, and our congratulations for you assuming
Thank you.
the High Commissioner.
Thank you. I'm deeply grateful. Very
Comes
kind
with
of you,
our-
sir.
No, it comes with our good wishes.
Thank you.
Not only for the Christmas and the New Year, but as a friend.
Thank you. I was very grateful. sir.
No,
Thank
this
you
is
very much.
serious for you.